So the question number 15 from exercise 16a. Question number 1 from 15. Arrange the ratios 5:7, 11:14 and 17:21 in descending order. First write down the given ratios. Given ratios are 5:7, 11:14 and 17:21. Okay, so first of all you have to convert the given ratios into fraction form. Okay, 5/7, 11/14, 17/21. So here we have to check the given. The fractions are like fractions or unlike fractions. So all the denominators are different. So these are unlike fractions. For unlike fractions, we have to find out the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of denominator is 7, 7, 21. Again by 3, 7, 7, 3, 7. Now 1, 1, 1. So LCM equals to 7 3s are 21. 21 2s are 42. LCM equals to 42. So now convert all the given all the fractions into equivalent fractions with the same denominator 42. Okay, so 5/7 equals to both numerator and denominator are multiplied by 6. Then we get 30/42. Second one 11/14. So 11 into 3 by 14 3s are 42. We know that. So 33/42. And the last fraction is last ratio is 17/21 equals to 17 is multiplied by 2, 21 is multiplied by 2, then we get 42 in the denominator. 17 2s are 34. Now all these fractions are like fractions. So you have to write in descending order. Descending order means what? Big to small. So you just compare the numerators. So which is the bigger one? 34. So 34 is greater than 33 is greater than 30. So write down the fraction. 34/42 is greater than 33/42 is greater than 30/42. So write down the original fractions. 17/21 is greater than 11/14 is greater than 5/7. Hence 17:21 is greater than 11:14 is greater than 5:7. Okay. Now do the second one yourself. Question number 17. Solve the following. Solve the following. If the given is A is to B equals to 2:5. A is to B equals to 2:5. B is to C. Here ready. B is to C equals to 3:7. So we have to find A is to C. Okay. So now write down A by B equals to 2/5. B by C equals to 3/7. Here you just multiply the B part. Okay, A by B. So these ratios you should, these fractions you should multiply. Okay, A by B into B by C. Then only B will cancel. Then only B get cancelled now. So equals to 2 by 5 into 3 by 7. Okay. So B we cancel. Now here we get A by C. Any cancellations is there? Nothing is there. So you just multiply the numerators and denominators. So 2 3s are 6. 7 5s are 35. Therefore, A is to C equals to 6 is to 35. A is to C equals to 6 is to 35. Okay, next question number 18. Here also given A is to B equals to 5 is to 6 given. B is to C equals to 4 is to 7 given. Here we have to find out A is to B is to C. Okay. So A by B equals to 5 by 6. B by C equals to 4 by 7. So equate the B part. Here 6 is there, here 4 is there. So both numerator and denominator are multiplied by 4 here. So A by B equals to 5 by 5 into 4 by 6 into 4, and here you just multiply by 6. So B by 6 equals to 4 into 6 by 7 into 6. Okay, now write down A by B equals to 5 into 4 by 6 into 4 means 20 by 24. So B by C equals to 24 by 7 6 are 42. So now you can write A is to B is to C. So these two are equal now. So A is A 20, B 24, C 42. Is there any? So this is not in simplest. So you have to convert into simplest ratio. Therefore, A is to B is to C equals to 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. Sorry. By 2 table do first. 2 10s, 2 12s, 2 21s. This is the simplest ratio. So A is to B is to C equals to 10 is to 12 is to 21. Let's see the next question number 19. So given 3A equals to 2B equals to 4C. So we have to find out A is to B is to C. Okay. So let 3A equals to 2B equals to 4C equals to some K. So from this A equals to K by 3, B equals to K by 2, C equals to K by 4. So these all are unlike fractions. You just convert into like fractions. Okay, what is the LCM of 3, 2, 4? Find out the LCM. So LCM of 2, 3, 4 equals to 12. Okay, so A equals to both numerator and denominator are multiplied by 4. Then we get 4K by 12. 4K by 12. So like that B. Both numerator and denominator are multiplied by 6. Then we get 6K by 12. So like C also. Both numerator and denominator are multiplied by 3. So 3k by 12. Now all are like fractions. So A equals to 4k by 12, B equals to 6k by 12, C equals to 3k by 12. Okay, now A is to B is to C equals to 4k by 12 is to 6k by 12 is to 3k by 12. 12, 12, 12 cancel, k cancel. Therefore, A is to B is to C equals to 4 is to 6 is to 3. Next question number 20. Tanay divided the collection of 253 stamps between his two sisters Shamali and Keya in the ratio 6 is to 5. Find the number of stamps each of the sisters received. Okay. So number of stamps collected by Tanay equals to 253. 253. Okay, stamps between his two sisters Shamali and Keya. Divide the stamps to his sisters in the ratio 6 is to 5. This is given. Okay. So first find the sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio equals to 6 plus 5, 11. 6 plus 5, 11. Okay. So number of stamps received. Number of stamps received by Shamali. Number of stamps received by Shamali equals to Shamali's share by total ratio. So 6 by 11 into total number of stamps 253. 11 23s are 253. Okay, 23 6 3s are 18. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 3. 138. Okay, so number of stamps received by Keya equals to how much his share? 5 parts. 5 parts out of 11 into 253. So 23 times 5 23s are 3 5s are 15. 5 2s are 10 plus 1. 115 stamps. 115 stamps received by Keya. 138 stamps received by Shamali. Next question number 21. Divide a line segment. Divide a line segment 45 centimeters is divided into 3 parts. In the ratio 5 is to 7 is to 3. Okay. So first find the sum of the ratio. Sum of their ratios equals to 5 plus 7 plus 3 equals to 15. Okay. So measure of first part, measure of first part equals to 5 by 15 into 45 centimeters. 15 threes are, so it is nothing but 15 centimeters. Measure of second part equals to 7 by 15 into 45 centimeter. It is nothing but 21 centimeters. Measure of third part, 3 by 15 into 45. 15 threes are 45 equals to 9 centimeters. Check out 21 plus 9, 30 plus 15, 45. Total we get. Question number 22. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:7. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:7. If 4 is added to each of them, then the ratio becomes 1:2. Find the numbers. Let the two numbers are 3x and 7x. 3x and 7x. If 4 is added to each of them, so then the new numbers are 4 is added to each of them. So 3x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. 3x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Then the ratio becomes 1:2. New numbers ratio equals to 1:2. New numbers ratio equals to 1:2. So new numbers means 3x plus 4 is to 7x plus 4 equals to 1:2. So we can write in the fraction form. So 3x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 equals to 1/2. By doing cross multiplication, 2 times 3x plus 4 equals to 7x plus 4. So 6x plus 8 equals to 7x plus 4. So 7x minus 6x equals to 8 minus 4. X equals to 4. X equal to 4. Find the numbers. Hence, if x equal to 4, then 3x equals to 3 times 4 equals to 12, and 7x equals to 7 times 4 equals to 28. Hence the numbers are 12 and 28. Hence the numbers are 12 and 28. Okay, see. Question number 25. What number must be subtracted from the term of the ratio 15:23 so that the ratio becomes 7:15? Okay. Let the two numbers are this is the question. Question number 25. What number must be subtracted from each term of the ratio is 15:3 so that the ratio becomes 7:15? Okay, let the number subtracted from each term be x. According to question, 15 minus x by 23 minus x equals to 7 by 15. Do cross multiplication here. 15 into 15 minus x equals to 7 into 23 minus x. 15 15s are 225 minus 15x equals to 7 3s are 21 2 7 2s are 14 plus 2 161 minus 7x. 225 minus 161 equal to 15x minus 7x. So subtract now. 5 minus 1 4. 16. 15x minus 7x means 8x. X equals to 164 by 8. X equals to 4 2s. 4 4s are 41. One step here. 5 minus 1 4. 12 minus 6 6. Sorry, here 64 only. 64 by 8. 8 8 is 64. X equals to 8. Hence, the number subtracted from each number from each term is 8. You can see the question number 27. If x is to y, so given x is to y equals to 3:5 means x by y equals to 3 by 5. Say equation 1. Okay. So now we want to find 2x plus 3y by 5x plus 7y. Okay. That means they are given like this. 2x plus 3y is to 5x plus 7y. So we can write in the fraction form. Okay. Divide both numerator and denominator by y. 2x plus 3y by y. 5x plus 7y by y. Means 2 into x by y plus 3. 5 into x by y plus 7. But because y by y get cancelled here. So substitute the value of x by y here. So 2 into 3 by 5 plus 3. 5 into 3 by 5 plus 7 from 1. So 5 cancel here. In the denominator we are having 3 plus 7 only. In the numerator 2 3s are 6 by 5 plus 3. So take out the LCM here 5 and here 10. 6 plus 15. 21 by 5 by 10 by 1 equals to 21 by 5 into 1 by 10 equals to 21 by 50. Therefore, 2x plus 3y is to 5x plus 7y equals to 21 is to 50.